On last night's live, I showed you a 30-minute recipe for Southwestern chicken. You're going to slice up 1 medium red onion, add that to 1 pound of chicken breast that's also diced in chunks, and your red peppers, red, yellow, orange. I showed you a really good way to slice your peppers. Just take off the top, slice it 1 down the side, take out the pod, and then you're ready to go. Add your peppers in, and you're going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is done. While you're doing that, you can go ahead and get your spices ready. This one's going to take 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, and you can mix that up. Once the chicken is done, you can add in the spices along with 1 can of rinsed black beans, 1 can of rinsed corn. Just go ahead, stir it all up together, and you're ready to go. Add some rice, and you have a complete meal in less than 30 minutes. Join me tomorrow for the next one.